You are listening to Lesson 1, Chapter 1 of Form 4 African History. Cameroon General Education. Narrated by Wacheseh Academy. The Paris Peace Conference of 1919. The conference that took place in Paris in January 1919 to bring lasting peace after the First World War had a lot of significance to the Africans. Significance of the conference on Africa. President Wilson led the USA delegation to the Paris Peace Conference and emphasized the principles of self-determination. People should be given the democratic government of their choice. This helped to stimulate the growth of nationalism in Africa. President Wilson had also insisted on the settlement of all colonial claims in the interest of colonial people. The conference provided an opportunity for the Pan-Africanists to organize a conference in Paris to table their grievances against colonialism. In the conference, it was decided that all the former colonies of Germany and Turkey should become mandated territories under the League of Nations. This gave them new status and also helped to liberate them from the harsh German rule. The mandate system. After the defeat of Germany, she signed the Treaty of Versailles on June 28, 1919, and renounced all the rights over overseas possessions. In Africa, including Cameroon and Togoland, partitioned between Britain and France. Tanganyika handed to Britain, Rwanda, Burundi to Belgium, and Southwest Africa to South Africa. This gave the territories new international status. They became mandated territories. They were no longer private colonial territory to any powers. Certain restrictions were placed on those mandatory powers, such as the establishment of military or naval bases, conscription of the natives into their military force. This encouraged the people under colonial rule to resist colonial control. The mandatory powers were expected to promote the material and moral well-being and the social progress of its inhabitants, prohibits all forms of forced or compulsory labor, respect native land rights, suppress the slave trade, etc. These provisions helped to stimulate the growth of nationalism and development.